What's up, Funtown RV fans? Garrett Shear here at our fantastic indoor air-conditioned showroom at our Corsicana location right off I-45. Right here behind me, I have one of our great South Bay models, just a 22-foot tri-tune. One of the biggest benefits and features of these boats, fully composite deck hull. No wood, nothing to worry about on that as well. So all your top materials will be bolted to the deck for security. Another little feature you notice on the South Bay are these supported splash fins right here. It's a little detail that's going to help protect your hull in the long run. This model right here is a nice little white option, brown bottom color, but you can get different colors as well. It's got plenty of power with a Mercury 204-stroke back here, color matched to this unit to really help set you apart when you're out on the beach or out on the lake, wherever you want to go this summer. Let's go up and check out the interior on this one. One of the nice things about the South Bay boats you notice is the color match interior. All the units will also come with a color matched cover that will help protect your boat when not in use, as well as a nice Bimini top that can fold up and collapse down during travel. This particular floor plan has a nice front wraparound couch with storage underneath all your seats, as well as two captain's chairs. And a nice little feature back here, this seat is actually removable to give you access to your rear deck here and can be loaded to the front and give you a nice full wraparound section there with a great view out of the back. The South Bay boats have a great composite deck material, as well as this finish that they use on top. They also have removable tables that you can put here for your parties. If you come over here to the captain's seat, you can see it's got a nice integrated wet sound system, fully adjustable captain's chairs, tilt steering function, wireless Bluetooth charging, as well as all your controls for your lights, navigation lights, mood lighting, stereo, stuff like that as well. So, South Bay boats, really well built, all stainless steel materials, solid components. So check out funtownrv.com/Corsicana for more info. And again, my name's Garrett. Come see us.
Guys, make sure to like, follow, and share. And remember, the fun starts here.